In this video, we're going to be looking on how to create our steel stairs, and we're going to start by standing in first floor, or no, let's go to ground floor. Then I'm going to be going into my stair here, and I'm going to be doing an edit type, and the stair here is going to be called, let me see, where do I have it at? A duplicate, and this is what we're going to call it. It has a width and a maximum or minimum tread depth. Let's set that to 250, and a maximum height rise of 180, like that, and say OK. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to, from ground floor to first floor, and the base offset, we need to remember that it's probably 150 below, because it's raised 150 above terrain, like that. Accept it, and once I look at it now, I have a stair right here, and it looks like it's floating, but it's actually just because I don't have no terrain. This staircase, I want to rotate it, so I'm going to go up to my first floor, and I want to rotate it. So I'm going to rotate it by using this command, or using RO. Rotate it, let's say 45 degrees, something like that. Then I'm going to drag it over here, and I'm just going to leave it like here somewhere. Yeah, like there. I'm going to mark it, edit stairs, and what I want to do is I want to create a landing. So I'm just going to draw a landing like this. Like that. Finish edit mode. Oh, I need to close it like that. That's my landing. Once I finish it, I finish that one, and if I now look at it, I now have my staircase. It looks kinda okay. The problem is it's shutting me off. I can't get into my building. What you do is you mark this one, you say edit path, and what I usually do is I take these and I cut them like that, finish edit mode like this, and then I take another one and I go in actually and I say railing, and where do I want to add it to? Pick a new host. This is my host, and I want to pick one. Keep it simple. See it in the first floor again. Say add a railing, place on host. Which host? This one. And then it adds a new railing. See it in 3D again. Click that one, edit path, and say I don't want that, that, or that, that. Like this. I only want these. Finish edit mode, and now I actually have a stair where I have a railing all the way around. This ain't too good right now because it's just floating like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the stairs, and I'm going to go in edit my type, and in here I have the options. I can have the landing. Which type of landing should it be? The same as the run. The run type, do I want it different than anything else, the thread thickness, the nosing length. For the fun of it, if I said 100 and the thread thickness, pressed apply, you can see how thick they become. So I believe 50 is okay when it's steel you're working with. Then you have the right support, you have the left support, or you have the middle support. I want a middle support, and I want it to be more than 50. So if the width, now if, what you say, the total depth, place that to 200, and the width, set that to 100. Press OK, OK, and now you see we have a support beneath it, and in my opinion it's kind of cool, but I do not fancy these railings here. So what I have is I have another project where these are incorporated, and if I look in the stairs here, let me just press hidden line like this. I like this one, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick that one, I'm going to copy it, Control Tab, and I'm going to press Control V to insert it in this project, and it's going to say, yeah, these exist already, but it actually does import it into the project. So it's laying there right now, so I can just press my left mouse button, and then what I can do is I can actually choose these up here and say what type is it that I want. I want a handrail with glass brackets like that, and I can delete this one, and what I have now is I actually have a staircase in steel with the support and the handrails in glass with brackets. So that's what I wanted to show you about installing or creating a stair in steel. So in the next video we're going to be looking at creating the stairs down to the basement in concrete. I hope you can use it for something, and thanks for watching.